Welcome back to another video. So today I have a special product that supposedly can clean your headlights. Now, I already cleaned my headlights with toothpaste, and to be honest, that actually gave me some pretty good results. Now, the reason why I tried toothpaste was because I've seen a bunch of videos like back then before I even had a car that toothpaste can actually help clean yellow headlights. So that's why I wanted to try it out. That's why I used toothpaste. So in today's video, I've done some research online and I found out that this right here, this is called Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish. Supposedly this thing can actually help clean your headlights also. Now, when I was doing the toothpaste video, I was looking to see if we had any polish right here, and we did not. So I went up and picked up this on Amazon. This was like $5 I think, and I'm gonna try this out. Hopefully I can get good results, especially for the Civic because I didn't do the other headlight. And then we also have a new BMW that I'm gonna plan on cleaning, and I want to see if this can actually clean like the rims too, because this is aluminum polish, and I'm gonna see if I can also clean the BMWs because theirs is pretty dirty too. Well, the BMW has dirty rims. And I also want to do some other things too, like debadge my car and also take off some stickers from my car and the Civic, because we still have those nasty stickers that say bad brains, and to be honest, stickers on that car doesn't look good. And just overall, like, make them look cleaner, because I feel like some cars don't look good with stickers and then some cars do. Alright, let's go see and test this out if this actually works. Okay, so I got my clean rag right here, and we're gonna open this for the very first time. This is what the inside looks like. Does that look clean to you?
Cleaner than that one.
Actually, yeah. I think it is doing something.
Look at the other one. It's like yellow, poopy. That one's more clear.
Oh, what the hell? Yeah, this stuff works. Because it doesn't look like it's doing anything, but when you step back, it actually looks like cleaner or white. Yeah, that's sick. It's kind of hard to tell, but the headlights look a lot better than when I used toothpaste. Comparing this one with like the one that I've never touched before. Like, see, this one's foggy, and then this one's like less foggy, but it's whiter than this one. So now I'm gonna clean this one, and then we're gonna move on to the BMW. It's kind of hard to tell the difference on camera, because this one still looks yellow, but not too yellow. I mean, it's not gonna look brand new, but this one bad. This one good. No, not yet. Okay, so I just finished cleaning this headlight, and first impressions, I mean, it did clean it, but I was expecting better results, not gonna lie. Like, I wanted to see a brand new headlight, but compared to this one, this one looks a lot better. And this one's the one that I used toothpaste to. This side I didn't use toothpaste at all. I just used the Mag's polish. Now, it looks bad in some angles. Like, for example, if I like look up like this, it's still yellow on some areas, but on camera you can't even tell. So it's probably just the inside of it. I know they do tend to become yellow inside, but that's the best I could do. Does it look a lot better? Yes. Is it gonna be 100%? No. Which sucks, because I was expecting it to be freaking brand new. Do I even dare to clean the headlights for the BMW? Like, same thing with this one. This one's more dirtier than this one. Let's try it out though. Okay, you wouldn't believe me, but I actually cleaned these headlights like just now, and here's the results. So for example, this area right here, I feel like you do need to sand it off, because it's just a bunch of like scratches and like weird like dirt residue. In this portion right here, this looks way better than how it was before. Like, it's clear and you can actually see it, so this stuff does work. I put some right here in this area and it actually cleared up. It was a little hazy, so now it's gone, and honestly this looks way better than how it was last time. Same thing with this side. You need to like sand some areas here and there with like a polisher. Depending on like how old these lights are, you would probably get better results, but I tried my best. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I actually did do a headlight on one of my cars, or one of my headlights, and yo, this thing actually like looks better than toothpaste. Like look, this is a headlight I did, right? This is like the only one right here. And this, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this looks way better than the toothpaste that I did. Like you can actually like see it through the headlight, right? So this does work on some headlights. So if you want, you can try picking it up. So I'm gonna clean this, and then I'm gonna clean the rest, the other 3. Yo, this looks so cool. What the fuck? Look, I tried it on this one.
Damn, I can see inside.
You can see the difference, right?
Yeah.
Yo, what the heck? You can. Okay, so you can see inside of this one. You can't see inside of this one too much. Same thing with these. These are like too foggy. So I'm gonna clean these up, make them look better. Yo, that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna do one side, make it look cool, make them look brand new. Okay, so cue the music and the time lapse. Golly, bro, that's a big difference. Okay, so I just finished cleaning my headlights. They look brand new compared to when I used toothpaste. So this stuff actually made it look way better. Now the camera won't pick it up because I don't know why, but in person they look way better than on camera. Like for example, this side looks a lot better. This side looks a lot better compared to this side. But in person, they both look the same, if that makes sense. Like they're cleaner now, you can see straight through them, and they just give the car a better look overall with these 2 or these 4 headlights clean. So I'm gonna put pictures up right now because the camera won't pick it up like correctly. So I'll put a picture and like a video right now how these headlights look overall. Now I remember when I used to have these headlights all yellow and they just look bad, but now they look better and the car just looks.
I like that angle right here.
I like that angle too. Or I don't know if I can tell from the camera, but I mean they look clean, but in person they look a lot better. I'm not gonna lie. Spotless, clean, precision. Sexy mother. I'm overall happy and satisfied with the results that that mag thing gave me. So this is a sticker I was talking about, and I'm going to get rid of it because this website does not exist no more. Proof that this website does not exist no more. So I don't need this sticker. Hey Pringles, if you want to sponsor me, I'd be happy to show off a sticker on my car. Let me put the camera down. And the C right here is like, can you even see? Yeah, barely, bro. This C is like not even straight, so I'm gonna get rid of this. Who knows? I might put another sticker in here. But I'm gonna get rid of this real quick. This does not hurt my soul. I tried to figure out if I can spell anything with this sticker, and I don't know what to spell. Like for example, I wanted to spell a word, nothing came up in my head. Like all I got so far was like Toro, or like, yeah, that's it. I don't know. I don't know what else I can spell with these words. Hey yo, okay, but I have a word. Yeah, it looks ugly. Yeah. Okay, welcome back to Fast Traveling. I'm pretty sure by the words that are on the window, you do know what I'm gonna try to spell out with these stickers. I'm sorry that I'm inappropriate. Oh, I got it. Let's go. Not the best, but you see it. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. I was thinking of doing this. But no. Or that just looks way better, but I still don't like how the stickers gave like the glass a tattoo and you can still see the lettering from the black sticker. Yeah, you could even see it on camera. I don't like that. I'm gonna clean it with alcohol and then hopefully some of that residue can like disappear. Okay, all the residue is off, but you can still see the markings. I don't know if I can get rid of that, but that just looks so bad. Like, you can see where the sticker was originally. Now you can't see it from like far away, but when you get close to it, yeah, you can tell there was a sticker there. Charlie bit my finger.
What are you guys doing, monkeys?
We're debadging the car.
Are you gonna put the Acura one on?
No.
No badge?
No badge.
You should fill the holes in it.
Huh?
You should fill the holes in it.
There's no holes.
Oh, there's no holes?
No.
What's that held
It's
on?
all tape.
Oh.
Double-sided sticky tape. What? I'm not gonna put on another badge.
So this?
Uh-huh.
That's a heat gun. That's a heat gun.
Can I use it?
So blow it up a little bit, not too high, not too cold.
Ooh, I don't trust that.
Okay.
I'll just use mom's blow dryer. This is a nice view. Out with the old and in with the new. From ricer to grown man.